And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 79. Let me show you how you can align text. To add text, go to text in the top menu, then add text and default text, even a plus sign. Let me change the text right here. And you can drag it around in the preview window with a left click drag. But if you want to align it properly, make sure that the text element is selected in the timeline if it isn't, left click on it, and then you should see text basic on the top right. Scroll down until you can find under transform. This alignment icon option should give you 6 positions, left, right, up, down, and then center for vertical and horizontal. If you can't see that at all, might be because the transform menu here is not rolled out, so use the drop down and then you should see that. And this is how you can align text in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.